Okay, let's create first plate, 3D plate. So go to part, create, and let's name it plate, deformable, solid, and extrude. Okay. So now let's create a conical shape. So click on part, and this is our conical shape. This will act as the adhesive layer between the conical patch and the plate. Let's do one thing more. Let's create a partition in it. Okay, so let's first create a data plane, or we can create partition right away. So let's create partition. So cell, okay. Define cutting plane. Choose 3 points. So we'll choose this point, this point, and this point. Create partition. Okay, click on done. Now let's move to assembly module and create instances. Okay. So we are going to rotate the control shape. Select all the instances. Click done. Now if you go to part module, here you will see the part. Okay. It is not visible. The inside part is not visible, but it is there. You will see how to view it. Just so if you click this one, so it is a wireframe. Now you can see the shape inside. Create. Let's create material. So let's first create adhesive. Click on mechanical, elasticity, and elastic. Enter the Young's modulus and volume ratio of adhesive material. 3.7633. So click OK. So we have created materials. Now let's go to section managing, create, and we are going to create sections. Okay. First, adhesive. Adhesive material will be solid part. Okay. So this is how it looks like. And what you can do is select. You can select this is one mice is stress, and you can